Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know, my name is Kaylin Zahara, socially known as Amazed by K. Subscribe, like, and follow me on all social platforms. I want to thank everyone that watched my 4 tips to rapid hair growth. I appreciate the positivity and even just the information on educating me on y'all's experience. That's so dope. So in return, I was like, clearly you guys care about hair journeys. So I wanted to show you guys that I now have cornrows and how I care for it. So without saying anything else, let's jump into it. Make sure you're subscribed. It has been about not even a week yet. Thursday will make a week. And so I always get 14, or I try to, but my mom, you know, sometimes she don't like braiding my hair. She's not a braider, but anyways, rambling. I like to get 14, and I'll tell you why. I don't like getting thick cornrows because the purpose of me getting these cornrows is to be able to go in with my wild hair growth. Now, if you guys don't know about this product, make sure you go to take it back to my 4 tips to rapid hair growth. This is my holy grail for my scalp, okay? So the point is to get in as much scalp as possible. So when you have thick jumbo cornrows or straight backs, you missing a lot of scalp, baby. So I'm gonna need you to make them thin, and that's my whole point. So my mom was like, how many? And I'm like, 14, at least, at the very least 10. But can I, you know, if you could push it to 14, that'll be lovely. So that's the whole point of them being so thin, so that I can then go in with wild hair growth. And as I showed you guys, if you follow me on Instagram at Amazed by K, I do this on my story. Like, I just go in and boom, all the way through. All the way through. I hit these edges right here. I get along this side. Now, I will say this, disclaimer. You are going to, if you massage it in and you put it down here with these sideburns, baby, I be having sideburns hanging all the way down. Like, my sideburns be growing. So I'm just warning you, if you don't like sideburns, don't put them in this area, because honey, you're gonna be shaving them all the time, like mwah. So what I also mentioned in my 4 tips for rapid hair growth video is ends. Now, some of y'all, okay, let me say something real quick before this video ends. Stop coming to my channel talking shit, okay? Like, honey. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, I appreciate everybody that did add comments in that video with more information and their experiences. That is more than welcome. Appreciate you. Anyways, the ends right here, honey. Ends are the oldest part of your hair. You should be moisturizing the ends of your hair, etc. Let me turn this volume off on my phone before I get another text. And so this is what I do with cornrows. I will do this at least once to twice a week. I wet it with water, a little spray bottle, just a little bit, because I'm low porosity, so I need that water to open up my cuticles. And then I go in with what is supposed to be, okay? So don't do your research. Supposed to be, and it might not be true, y'all, but this is Camille Rose Naturals Curl Love Moisture Milk, and this has macadamia oil in it. I take this a little bit on my fingers, honey, just like that. Come on, stop. I'm not sponsored, by the way, so I'm just making a follow-up video. And I put it on my ends, reminding you my hair is wet, my ends are wet, okay? And I start twirling it. Then lately, and I want you guys to educate me on this product, if you know about it, you know, your aunties and everybody, your mama, whoever. Let me know, because I've heard that this Summit Live Cream Hair Dressing and Conditioner is like, it makes your hair grow, and not only does it moisturize, it kind of makes your hair a little bit more manageable. Somewhat in a sense of like, if you used it for a long time, it would change the hair, the texture of your hair. I don't know, but if you guys know about that product, please comment below and educate me. So I've been giving this a try, and I just twirl like I did the first product. And then I like to, after that, remember what we talked about in that video, 4 tips to rapid hair growth. Oils are sealants, okay? So now that I've moisturized it with product and a little bit of water, I'm gonna take a little bit of this almond oil. I thought I had jojoba. I was using almond this whole time, y'all. Okay, anyways. And I just do the same thing. I just dripped it on my dress. I seal that moisture in and then I twirl. And I think the reason that I twirl is because I want my hair to be curly. I want it to stay that way. So just naturally and mentally, I just curl it with my fingers or twirl it, whatever. And then I move on to the other strands of hair, just like that. Now, this is me being honest with you. I already went ahead and did that earlier today, and I was like, damn, I forgot to do it on camera. So I'm just being honest with you. Now, I don't know much about this product, right? In the sense of I don't have experience with it and it's new, okay? I have looked it up, but this is the Mane Choice Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Restorative Spray. And so it's supposed to lock in moisture, improve elasticity. Why can I talk? And define the curls. It refreshes, it boots, it fights frizz, softens, hydrates. Honey, we could go on. You get the point. I take this and I would just spray one section, like I part the seat in the back, you know what I'm saying? And you understand what I'm saying? And I just spray. Ooh, sprayed my cheek. And I call it a day. So I oiled my scalp, honey, and I moisturized and locked in that moisture on the ends. These cornrows or straight backs will stay in my hair for at least 30 days, okay? And I love doing that. This is how I was able to grow my hair this long in the amount of time that I talked about in my last video. I just stopped playing with my hair. I also was using wigs, right? My hair wasn't like this every single day, so I would wear wigs, but I will say a caution about wigs. We already know this. Over time, it does have wear and tear on these beautiful edges, okay? And so I will say it's been 2 months of me not wearing wigs every day, and I have such long edges at this point because my routine of hair growth was the same, but it was like, oh, there's no gots to be glue or gel or spray that's ripping, you know, little edges here and there. So I will say I'm debating if I want to do wigs or just stay like this for 30 days. I could care less. Who is there to impress? It is what it is. So I'll let you guys know how I feel about that. I'm gonna be real. You're probably gonna see me in the next video with a damn wig on. I'm gonna just be real because I'm gonna want to get dolled up and do makeup, etc. But I just want to update you guys on my hair has been in cornrows for the past almost a week now and what I plan on doing. And when it comes to this oil right here, for people who are like, she said for 30 days. Yes, I did. This has such amazing organic and fresh natural ingredients in it. My scalp doesn't stink. There's no odor. I'm not like scratching my scalp with a whole bunch of dandruff. This really kind of like conditions my scalp and just keeps it copacetic. And I can get away with the 30 days. I don't know for you guys, maybe 30 is way too much and your hair stinks, etc. But I'm good to go. Just wanted to throw that out there before somebody started talking crazy in the comments. But I appreciate you guys. And so here I am, being consistent. Thank you. Make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure you like this video, share it, and I'll be back. Bye.